Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Thursday, May 23rd. The market's still open. It's going to close in 16 minutes, but I had to run. I was on the stream. I have to go. I got birthday stuff going on. One of my kids is their birthday, so I got to get the show on the road. We're going out, doing the Dave and Buster's thing, all that fun stuff. So here's how I did in my Apex account today. I'll try to make it quick. First of all, before I even show you what happened in Apex, my Apex account, this market was crazy. I need to expand this. I shrink it. There was so much price action today that I can't even. It doesn't even fit on the chart. So we went up to 19. We went up over 19,000. We hit new all time highs. 19,026 was the high, basically 25 or whatever. And then we rejected hard. We came all the way down from 19,025 to 18,623.75. We literally came down 400 points. 400 points. Crazy day. Crazy day. And then we came back a little bit from there, almost 100 points. And that's where this is where we're sitting right now. So as a result of that, I mean, I was trading during the overnight last night, and I was in pretty good shape with my 250K account. I didn't trade a funded account during the overnight, but and I was streaming during the overnight. I'm on. If I'm trading it during the overnight, I'm streaming. Same thing. I'm always streaming anywhere between 2 and 3 Eastern during regular trading hours. 2 p.m. I try to get on, but usually it's sometime between that. Anyway, so if you're not a subscriber yet and you want to catch a stream, there's like a bunch of us that are hanging out. You get to watch me trade like a degenerate, and then there's some really cool people in the chat, high quality people, all hanging out, all pushing each other, encouraging each other. A lot of really good traders in there. People getting paid. Dudes and dudettes. But anyway, here's what happened. I'll start with this one. This is the first account I started trading. This was my 67th funded account. And I just knew, I could tell by the way the price action was moving. I'm like, I don't like the way this is moving. And sure enough, I lost a bunch of trades and I fucking nuked it because I kept trying to go against the trend. I started trading when it was dumping and I just kept trying to go against it. And I didn't go on tilt or anything. It just got bad. I just kept losing. And you only have a $1,500 trailing max drawdown on these 25K funded accounts. But I like them because you don't have to go up as much. So I was cruising. I was literally I was less than $800 away from where I wanted to be. I wanted to get to 2,000. You have to get to 1,600 to qualify for a payout. I wanted to get to 2,000 because that would give me a cushion, after the payout was approved. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering if my payout has been approved by Apex yet, it still hasn't. So here we are. I'm going to refresh the page before I move any further. Still under review. Since still watching, still breathing and relaxing, like John from Apex said, just breathe, relax. It's all good. Nothing is as bad as it seems, right? Breathe, relax, all good. Nothing is as bad as it seems. Yeah, relax, guys. Nothing is as bad as you think. It's all good. I'm just sitting here waiting. This is me and all my friends waiting for our fucking payouts to be approved. But I have had people reach out to me. A couple of people have reached out in the comments on my videos and in the chat telling me that their payouts have flipped from under review to approved. So they're finally working their way through it. I also had another person tell me that the approval process, it might not be until the end of the month that all of the payouts will be approved. So we might just have to wait even longer. I'm hoping I wake up tomorrow and this shit's approved, but I'm going to be refreshing this page 100 times between now and tomorrow, and maybe one of these refreshes it'll be good. So anyway, let's move on to other accounts. This is the account that I'm waiting for that payout request approval that's under review. So I don't want to go under, right? I don't want to trade myself out from under a payout. So I flipped a mini real quick by accident. I actually got filled in a mini thinking it was another account. Got out real quick for a $17 gain. So this is still fine. I just want the payout to be approved so I could have my trailing max drawdown established and I could work from there. All right. These two accounts have been over. I could have activated them today, but just the way my day started with this account getting nuked and the way the price action was going, I'm like, I'm not even going to touch these. I can't request a payout on these. Won't make the June 1st to June 5th withdrawal window anyway. So why rush it? why put myself in a position to get these accounts in trouble? So I have not activated them yet. They are passed, right? So if I go here, I go to the eval charts, it'll tell you that they're passed, right? Right here. This is them. 327, 328, they're both passed. So I just haven't upgraded them. And then boom, whoops, what did I just do? Exit. Shit, that would have been bad. I hit the buy button. The moment we've all been waiting for. I did this on the stream. I said I was going to pass it in my description for the stream. I said I was going to push it over today, and look what I did. The 250K Big Daddy account. Let me just make sure I didn't fuck that up. The 250K Big Daddy account. I got it. I mean, I got it up $5,800 today, but I wasn't gambling. I was trading. Okay, because I know Apex doesn't want gamblers. They want a trader. If I'm a gambler, it's not good. But if you're a trader, you're good. You're fine. Okay, so I'm a trader. I wasn't gambling. I made calculated risks, very calculated risks and trades. Okay, push this bad boy over. It took me 6 days, actually. I didn't try to do it in one day. You know, the one day to pass on a 250K is a trap. You know, you might be able to do it, but you'll also nuke a few on the way to doing it with one. And you know what? I guess at $16.70 in Rhythmic and $18.70 in Tradeovate, I guess it's a risk worth taking for some people. I didn't want to do it. I wanted to grow it like a regular account, and you know, I wanted to be conservative with it because you also have only a $6,500 drawdown. But now with this 250K being over, and I'm going to be funded tomorrow. This is awesome. This makes up for everything else that happened to me while I was trading today, which is basically nuking this. I actually nuked my 150K Take Profit Trader account. Then I reset the account and got it up over 3,000. So that account's good. I'll make a video about that. But yeah, passing this 250K Big Daddy eval account, getting to 15,000. First of all, it's a big accomplishment. Okay. It's a huge accomplishment for me, at least. I wanted to see if I could do it. I did it. And the more I started looking into this account, now I have to get 6,600 to qualify for a payout, right? That's the number. That's the buffer for Apex for a 250K. The drawdown is 6,500. Look at this ratio. It's almost 1-to-1 on the profit goal, the profit threshold to drawdown. So like, as long as I trade this like a 50K account, I should be fine. And then when the best part about this account is when you get your payout, you could request as much as $3,000 the first 6 payouts, the first 6 weeks or the first 3 months, right? So if I take 3,000 out, I still have 3,500 because then. So if I'm at what is it? 256, 600 minus 3,000. That puts me at 253,600, and you can't go below 250,100. Once you qualify for a payout, you can't go lower than this number. So look at all the drawdown you'll have remaining. You'll have a 3,500 trailing match drawdown after you receive a payout. That doesn't really happen in 50Ks and definitely not in 25Ks unless you grow the account insanely large, which you don't really need to. So why push? But in this one, you have to grow it big. You have to get 6,600, but you end up with a lot of room to work with. So that's why I'm really excited about this account more than the others. But it's going to take long. It's going to be a lot of work. Like I'm going to have to make a lot of good trades. It's not going to be easy, right? Nothing worth doing is easy anyway. So anyway, that's all I got for you today. If you want to, the other thing, this is the last day that Apex is doing the 90% off sale. You literally have like 7 or 8 hours that hopefully by the time you see this, you still have time, but they might extend it. I don't know if they're going to extend it. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but 90% off any size eval is an insane deal. So if you see this before it expires, take advantage of it, load up on some evals because they don't do 90% often. They'll probably go back to 80%. I can see them going back to 80%, but 90% is insane. So just click on the link in the description below. If you don't have an Apex account yet, get it. You could get one by clicking my link in the description and then pop in this coupon code, PWPCGSEH. That's the coupon code. It's also in the description. Just copy and paste it. If you already have an Apex account and you want to take advantage of this 90% off deal and you want to support the channel, this is a great way to support the channel. Just pop in my coupon code. I'm making it up in my head, but I heard that this coupon code, my coupon code, has the highest pass rate out of all the other coupon codes in the world. Obviously, I'm joking about that, but you know, my coupon code is the best. Just trust me on that. But anyway, yeah, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. I stream every single day between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern time, into and through close. A lot of times I go to like 5 o'clock. I can't today because I got to bounce with the fam. And then if I'm trading at night during the overnight when the wife and kids are in bed, it's usually around the same time, 2:30, 3 o'clock, you know, right around when London opens, 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, a.m. Eastern time. And I usually hang out for a couple of hours. And there's always a lot of people hanging out. There's some high quality people, for sure. I mean, everybody's great, you know, and then you can watch me trade like a degenerate in the process. So you get some entertainment value there. And then, you know, we're all, you know, encouraging and pushing each other. You might even learn something about trading, or you could help other people if you're really experienced. Because there's definitely some people that are still, you know, they're basically, you know, on the same boat as me, or might not even be where I'm at yet. So definitely a great group of people, great mix of people. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon.